Hello, and we are back. I'm going to show you an interesting shop of an Israeli guy, Life-Changing Products Shop. That's the name of his shop, okay? You'll see he's based in Israel. And then all his product, you will see that he doesn't even own any of his product because he shipped them from China. Let's look at his first product. It's a nice bracelet. Okay, he sold about 15 already of those bracelets at the price of $33, and some even more expensive than $33. You can see even 40 and 38. Okay, so you can see he makes a lot of sales of this bracelet, and now I'm going to show you exactly where he gets them. I took the title of this product. I'm going to insert it, I'm going to copy it and insert it into a site called AliExpress.com, which is a Chinese site. Okay, I've already made my research and I checked it and I found it as it is the title. It doesn't even change the title. Click on the picture, which is similar to the picture on his site, exact same picture. You can see it doesn't change the picture, everything is the same. And it even says that he ships it from China. He ships from China, okay, the exact identical product. He says for $33 and he buys them on that site at $2.14. So he makes over $30 profit per bracelet that he sells like that. He sold 15 of them. So it's a nice profit, and he doesn't even have to ship them because he has the supplier in China ship it. As you can see, it says that it's based in China. The shipping is free, doesn't have to pay for the shipping. Okay, and you can see here it says China, and then he sold a lot of those products. And he made a nice profit. Again, I'll show you again the price, $33 for each. Okay, let's look at another product. Let's look at the next product that he's got. You see, he sells this at $8. This is like a pen when you have a scratch on your car, and it's like it helps you to remove the scratch. Okay, so I'm copying the title, also free shipping from China, as you can see here. He says it at $8. And then I'm gonna put it on AliExpress and let's see the result I get. When I look carefully, I see 61 cents for this product. You have in all sort of prices, but you see at 61 you can find 80 cents and other prices. But even if he says it at $1, which most of them are below $1, and he sells them at $8, so he makes about 800% profit here on this. Look, you see here he makes $8 and he sold 35 pens like these. So I'm just showing that the potential is there. You guys have to think outside the box. I'm looking at another product which he sold plenty. As you can see, it's one of those streamers when you want to remove some hairs that you don't want, that you're not too happy about. So I'll insert it into AliExpress. Look what I found. In AliExpress, the exact same product, a trimmer, $3.85 for one like that. Also free shipping. Exact same product. He sold them at almost $18. And he bought them at below $4. He makes more than 4 times the profit on that. And everything is shipped from China. I'm just showing you the potential is massive. You have a very big potential opportunity. Okay, but if you do choose to work with AliExpress, I would first communicate with the supplier and maybe test to order a couple of items into your house here first, that you see that it arrived fast. Okay, good luck, and we'll see you in the next video.